Hey, hello, and welcome. I'm Laura, and I want to talk to you about something I get asked quite a lot. Over the last couple of weeks, this question has come up a few times, and it is the AI usage that you have access to in Canva. So I get asked a couple of questions. The first one is, how much AI usage do I actually have? Where can I find my AI usage? And what different features use different amounts of AI usage? So I thought, let's do a little video and let's show you exactly where in your Canva account you can find which features use how much of your AI usage and where can you actually find how much of your usage you are using on a monthly basis. So if you're getting close to that end mark, do you need to upgrade your account maybe if you're using AI quite a lot, or if you're not using it at all? Let's have a look. So I thought we would answer those questions today. I'm going to head over to my screen and I'm going to show you exactly where in your Canva account you can find these answers. Okay, so here we are in my Canva account. Now I'm going to show you where you can find these usages. I have the Pro account, so I don't have the free account. So this is in the Canva Pro account, but it will be in the same place for all the different accounts. Do go and have a look and see how yours works. So first of all, where do we actually find that little bit of information that tells us how much percentage of our AI usage we are using on a monthly basis? Well, it's really quite simple. It's this little icon in the bottom left-hand corner, right down here. Can you see it? Bottom left-hand corner. It's the picture of you. If you've not uploaded a photo, it might just have a letter there as well. So if you click on this photo of you in the bottom left-hand corner, there is a settings option. Click on settings and it will open up your profile. Now, scroll down in the profile section and there's an option called billing. So click on billing and it will give you a bar here. So AI usage. I can now tell that my AI usage is 13% used and it resets on July 3rd. So I've got quite a lot of my AI usage left for the rest of this month. That's the first question answered. Where do you find how much of your AI usage you are using on a monthly basis? It's the little icon in the bottom left-hand corner, settings, billing, and then you'll find it right here. But if you want to delve a little bit further and you want to look at what actually uses your AI usage in your Canva account, which features use it, and maybe how much are they using it? Because not all AI features are equal. Some will use a lot more, some will use less. The way to find that is by clicking underneath here, which features use up my limits. So I'm going to click on that and it brings up this Canva Help Center page for you, which is really, really useful, understanding your AI usage. Now, you can click on any of these links and it will take you down to the information below, but have a scroll through and have a look at what it says here. So some of Canva's really popular features are included outside of your AI allowance. So you can use these as and when you want, and they won't affect your AI usage allowance. Canva AI, Magic Write, the AI voice feature, which is in the brand kit, photo and video animations, they are always there. But then you have three different types of AI usage. You have standard, you have premium, and you have ultra tools. Now, these do use your AI usage. This is where that bar comes into effect. So, standard tools include Magic Formula and Magic Write for SEO. Premium tools, you've got layers, creating images with AI, music and sound effects. Premium tools in Affinity because Canva now owns Affinity. So you've got different tools there that are premium, so they will use more of your AI usage. And then you have Ultra. So these are things like, as it says here, AI tools are part of your shared AI allowance. AI tools in this tier use the latest cutting edge AI models and use the most AI allowance. So these are the ultras. Conversational design with Canva AI 2.0, which is rolling out throughout June. Creating a video clip as well, because you can create 8-second video clips in Canva or 6-second video clips with an image using the image to video tool, or creating an image with Canva AI as well. So they do take up more of your usage. What I'm going to do is scroll down a little bit more because it actually tells you here monthly usage by plan. So you can see how much usage each plan has. So the free account, which most people are on, you have it's done by uses as well. So up to 200 uses for standard tools or 20 uses for premium tools, and you don't have access to the Ultra AI tools. So Pro, which is what I'm on, teams, non-profits, 2,000 uses for standard AI tools, which, as we discovered, are these ones, Magic Formulas and Magic Write for SEO. And you get 200 uses for premium tools, which I think are probably the ones most people will use. Magic layers, creating designs with Canva AI, image creation, building interactive experiences with Canva Code. I use Code a lot, and I'm only on 13% used of my AI usage. And it also gives you or 20 uses for Ultra AI tools, so the ones that use the most. So you've then got Canva Business, Enterprise, and Education, which are very similar to each other. So business, you get 400 of premium, 4,000 of standard. So if you're on Pro and you're finding you're hitting your limit all the time, it might be time to upgrade to a business. And then it just gives you a lot of information on this page. So how does your AI allowance work? And then you've got Canva 2.0, which is rolling out throughout June, gives you a bit of information on that. And how do I track my AI allowance as well? And then it tells you here where you can find your AI allowance. But I've already shown you that, so you now know how to find that yourself. And then what happens when you reach your limit? So you can purchase a AI pass, but they are quite a lot of money. Or you can upgrade to, say, business if you think that the 4,000 for, I think it was standard, would work for you. So that is the information I wanted to give you on your AI usage. I hope this has helped you, and that you now understand where to find how much AI usage you are actually using, and then what that AI usage is made up of with your Ultra, your Premium, and your standard AI tools in Canva. That's it from me. Super quick video, AI usage, lots of information thrown at you. Please do let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to answer questions. So I'm Laura. I am a certified Canva community trainer, Canva creator, and a Canvassador. And I love bringing videos to you that are helpful and useful with no jargon, mainly aimed at business owners, but anybody can make use of any of the videos that I put onto my YouTube channel. So please do come along, follow me for more videos.